Look, it's putting us out of focus as well.
Actually, what time is it? 9:30?
Oh, it's the
No, it's the ISS.
Is it?
Yeah, the International Space Station.
Bullshit.
That's what they want you to believe, Dad.
God, look at this one. Right above us.
It was actually moving.
It's a plane.
It's a plane.
Is it?
It's not a plane.
Planes have the red lights. It's really moving.
What is that?
I think it's the International Space Station.
They don't move that quick.
It's not high enough.
And I didn't think it'd be that high.
That's not even in orbit. It's just above us.
It's pretty weird. Can't be a plane. The planes have the red and green lights.
What the hell is that?
Not the little ones though.
That is not a little plane, I'm sorry.
I can't see it.
Don't have a look there.
Why am I out of focus?
That's weird. So you say it's the station? That's too low, isn't it?
It's a bit
Why is
weird.
it fading out?
Oh my god!
He's escaping.
Dude, look at that.
What the hell?
That was weird,
It's
man.
fucking just
It just
disappeared.
It's gone.
It
No.
faded out and went.
That is so weird.
It fucking disappeared.
That's weird.
Whoa. Whoa, dude.
Oh, dude.
Dude. No, man.